నేను ఆదిలాబాద్లో ట్రైనింగ్ ఆదిలాబాద్లో జరిగింది. అవుట్ గోయింగ్ ఐడియో గారు శ్రీ రాజేశ్వర్ చాలా మంచిగా పని చేశారు ఇక్కడ. హోప్ఫుల్లీ వీ విల్ ట్రై టు వర్క్ లైక్ దాట్, విల్ ట్రై టు ఇంప్రూవ్ ఆన్ దాట్, అండ్ I hope that our administration is as transparent as it can get. As a little introduction about myself, I am Vikas Mahato. I am from Saraikela Khasma district of Jharkhand. నేను బీటెక్ చేశాను. దీని తర్వాత నేను 2 సంవత్సరాలు యాజ్ అ మెకానికల్ ఇంజనీర్ పని కూడా చేశాను. దీని తర్వాత I was elected as Indian Revenue Service Income Tax. I took an leave there and prepared for the administrative services. I got into the services this year and I was allotted Telangana cadre. इसके पहले आदिलाबाद లో నా ట్రైనింగ్ జరిగింది. Hopefully as RDOs, since I am very new to this service, hopefully I'll get to learn from all the experienced tahsildars here. మేము అందరూ కలిసి collaborative effort के द्वारा we will try to work here, and as Mr. Rajeshwar has already done good work, as well as his predecessors have done good work, we will try to continue that under the able guidance of our collector sir, Rajiv Gandhi Harmantu sir. Also there are a lot of seniors and a lot of experienced personnel with us as tahsildars and as tahsildars and their staff. I would hope that I get the cooperation of all of them, and as my staff also, I would like to urge them to work as diligently and as transparently as they have worked under Rajeshwar Garu. So that is all. I hope that we do good work here. Thank you. As far as RDOs are concerned, I think many works as far land revenue is a major area of work, as well as land acquisition is an area of work. Then the routine certificates, caste certificates, income certificates, etc. We will try to ensure transparency. I was given to know that PDS recruitments are also going on. We will ensure all these works that are brought to our office will be done in an effective manner.